Welcome back to my workbench. Well, actually, this is my garage, but this is where I tend to disassemble some larger items, I suppose. Today we have as you can see, a camo PS4 that I bought some time ago. Supposed to be having no HDMI out. Actually, it includes an HDMI IC. So I don't know if this is a previous repair attempt, or if they, ordered the part and then decided they didn't want to go any further with it. I have not opened it up yet to see, so I'm hoping they just kind of bought the chip and backed out. But we'll get inside. I'll get this printed circuit board out, and we'll take it into the workbench, and we can get a better view of what it looks like and what state it's in. Well, here we are on the workbench under the microscope, and it is even worse than I might have imagined. Here is where the HDMI encoder IC should be, and all that's left is the bottom pad, where it basically a heatsink connection to the motherboard. So yeah, somebody tried to remove this thing and apparently did not have quite enough heat to do it. And how they did not lift any pads is a miracle. But it's a mess. And well, of course, we're missing one of these filters over here. And then the connector itself, let's see, not soldered. Actually, it's just kind of sitting there. Yep, she's just sitting there. So that's what we have. We've got at least 2 missing pads. Okay, and this board has had some liquid damage, so we've got that going for us. Got a lot of work to do. I did not even try to power it up. I became curious as to what was inside, so maybe I should take a look inside first. But that's what we're starting with. And I mean, I like a challenge, but you didn't have to throw this at me. Well, let's get to work. I almost forgot to show you the back side of the board where the HDMI connector mounts. There you go. Very nice. Very nice. Well, here we are testing the final product, reassembled. As you can see, it is outputting HD video just fine. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one. I hope it was at least interesting. I'll see you in the next repair.